Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can earn on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, the only thing that you can earn through Google Maps is Google Points, which you can then use for in-app purchases or in-game items or anything of the sort. So, what you can do to earn these points, I'll be explaining to you on this help article, and pretty much what you need to do to earn these points is review or rate a place, add photos to a place, answer questions about it, edit a place's information, etc., add missing places, and so on and so forth. Of course, this is preferable to places you've already visited, are familiar with, or your area which you live in, and pretty much to see all of your points that you've accumulated, you can go into your contributions. You just open up Google Maps, go to your menu, and then into your contributions, click on your name, and your points will be found here. Now, when you make a contribution, it takes up to 24 hours for points to appear, so don't panic if you don't see any. That is for the PC. For Android, you just open up the app, click contribute, tap your name, and search for the points there. Pretty much the same for iPhone and iPad. And yeah, you can find the full list of things that you can contribute to here on this help article, and you can see them on my screen right now. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Let me just demonstrate it. So for example, if I go here, go to the menu, you should see your contributions somewhere here. And for some reason I can't find it. Let me just check if I'm visiting the correct place. Yeah, it should be there. Not sure why it's not, or yeah, I'm just blind, excuse me. And yeah, you can see your contributions here. As you can see, I don't have any at the current moment. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.